Hey Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So I'm doing this video vlog style just because I'm in such a hurry. I just got off work at my new job, so yes, I've been busy. So in today's video, I decided to do the coconut hair challenge. So I have seen on YouTube a few YouTubers talk about how good coconut oil is for your hair and how they did it 1 to 2 times a week for the entire summer. So I'm not sure if that's going to be 2 months or 3 months yet, but I'm going to put coconut oil in my hair for 1 to 2 times a week. I'm trying for 2 times a week, but maybe 1 time a week if I get super busy. But and then see what happens to it. I've heard that it makes it shinier, it makes your hair grow faster. I'm in the process of growing my hair out again, and it makes it stronger and just overall healthier. I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna make a video of the results of what happened after summer, of putting it in there 1 to 2 times. So if you guys want to do this challenge with me, let me know down below, and I will put links to a few videos that I saw down below of people who are doing this challenge, and she may even have started this challenge herself. I don't really know. I know I didn't start this challenge. It's not an original idea of mine, but I decided I wanted to do it, so I wanted to share it with you guys and see what happens. I'm actually going out of town this weekend, and I'm gonna get my hair trimmed a little bit and just have it be super healthy, and then I will insert a clip into this video of my hair being super healthy. So I'm super excited about doing this challenge. I started this week. I've already done it once. So basically for my coconut challenge, I got like this huge tub of coconut oil, and then I was starting with this tub, which is small, and I got this huge tub. But basically the kind of coconut oil I like is organic, great value, unrefined virgin coconut oil, and it's expeller pressed. I don't think there's a difference between cold pressed and expeller pressed or whatever. Just so you know, I never melt my coconut oil. My coconut oil comes like in solid. That's how coconut oil comes. And then when you put some in your hand, so like I have a bunch, and then I'm just gonna roll it around in my hand, and you'll see that it'll start liquefying. So yes, I'm gonna start putting it all over my hair. So I am super excited about it, and hopefully after summer my hair will be longer, stronger, thicker, and more healthy. So we shall see. So if you guys enjoyed this video, click like, and I'll see you in my next video super soon. My summer videos have begun, and I'm so excited. Okay, bye.